Good every good everybody. Good morning everybody. Welcome to the Sewing Basket in Plymouth, Wisconsin. This morning we're going to do a quick little tour of some things that are new and rearranged. We set up our front window to be a little bit more baby oriented. Have a cute little milestone mat for taking baby pictures and a coordinating quilt. And I'm going to just head slowly around the store and show you a few things that are new today. And right over this way, we got some beautiful new paisleys in. Just lovely shades of purples, pinks, teals. Really a pretty fun spring line. And then over this way, a new floral line that includes a stripe. And very pretty, it's a white background with a little bit of gray in it, and just some very pretty spring flowers as well. And we're going to head over this way. Our display here of things for Cheryl's Log Cabin series. Those of you who don't know about that, that is free on our website, sewingbasket.biz. And the class is called Log Cabin. Just go in and register. If you go to the shop page and pick the classes category, you will see the registration for Log Cabin and a number of other things as well. Some new grays, the lights shining in the window, bright sunshine, lovely, but I'm getting a little reflection. Some new light grays and medium grays. The color on those are a little bit darker than they appear on camera. It's always hard to get those grays to show through. And I'm going to come back this way. We just got a beautiful new line called Dublin. I'm going to go real close so you can see what the print looks like in a whole range of colors. And the neutrals over here. Some really nice kind of taupes. They're very hard to find that shading, and we were glad to get those. And then down here, the yellows, blues, and greens. I believe there's 42 colors in Dublin, so a nice set. And a week or two ago, Cheryl did our pattern for the town square topper, and she added a new version to give us a quilt made out of that town square topper. I'm going to head back towards our sewing machines. You saw our video a week or so ago that we rearranged our back end and set up a more sewing machine display friendly area, and shows off the furniture that we have as well. And over here, Penny's working on a new project. That is going to be a wall hanging and a combination of placemats and runners. And we've got a display over here of all the different ways that you can quilt on your embroidery machine. A lot of times quilters think I don't embroider, but there's some great ways you can use your embroidery machine for quilting your quilts. We do have an updated machine page on our website as well. The document that I'm showing here gives you kind of a comparison list of, if you're looking to purchase a machine, what to consider. Not just what machine, but where you buy your where you buy your sewing machine makes a difference. What kind of support you'll get and help once you've got your machine. These are just some samples of things that are quilted on the embroidery machine. All different. You can see our little rhinos there in the quilting, as well as the luminaire and the stellaire that allow you to scan what's in your hoop. Those of you who watch our channel saw the swan that I did a couple weeks ago. We're going to head over that way. Again, this is our back end rearranged, our notions across here. There's the swan that I was talking about. This is all stitched on the embroidery machine. So kind of fun. And then down here we have a beautiful new panel of a heron and the coordinates that go with it. Just a very, very pretty print by Northcott. They do such a beautiful job. And I want to just mention our birdie class, this cute little birdie pillow. And the pattern for that is on our website. This is a purchase class. The class is normally $30. It is on collage applique and decorative stitching. It's the one that I talked about last week when I had recording problems, and I re-recorded. That's up for you, but I wanted to mention it again. This class is normally $30. It's on sale for $5 until the end of May, and that is called Birdie. That is in our website, sewingbasket.biz. So that's a quick peek at what's new today. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you soon.